releasing you a video is a kama pa. The only your friend is saying powerful minister or two tree in French. I know the international know are taking another level. English tree French. Easy. Portia, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Dodson. Good morning. I hope so. It's me so pa.
By God's grace, Nyamidin Kwachen ya yesi moja edi afrusani me kai se mi sana me kwa sorry no tebia mpanyimfo no mo bompa ya sa na mo bo no se moja edi afrusani na chese nyame aboa yen no minim se na ye Pentecost mpa bo minim se SDO minim ba na me tight pa moja edi afrusani so nyame ama moja edi afrusani edi then we are well and good and we are really alive and strong this morning. Now also a poem to saying
so boy who had mboko so moja di me hu efusane sa na ye tree no de be kan and if you think about it, true say a copsroba nti that is what it is nti yen so sa hu ye wa ha. Thank you so much. I hope so listeners on my last year so Obia is in good health and making good choices this year. So na be ya your health be in him. But it's all kind about some diseases that are coming up and all that. We need to really take it. I said this year they focus now.
It's true. It's true. I mean, I'm say sometimes I don't know for whatever reason, meaning whether religious perception, but sometimes we have biases towards just doing routine checkup. And I say you're too busy. But in fact, I'm say it is oh I was all check up and now we am she was a B na just a BB.
I'm saying part of the world. No, because that's just a BB. We haven't had that culture of doing regular checkups. May thankful the enterprise every year be my checkup. But still we need to make our health priority and take care, do things that will make us healthy and strong. Now, yes, answer no Yakopon said apomudin be shrine, not just say health akwe.
Yehoasi. So yanko this year Akwantupa yen share top line. Ansana ya ba yen komo twetwe na ye betwetwe no nioma ben sa na ewo akwam Akwantupa Enterprise Life ahihye for customers.
Okay, very good. Yeah, that's a pa. Say companies will be around the world, and every year be a nase. Na ya dream na year ne call ye. Na ya san dream near maybe a bit me aboama your customers ya more advantage in life. This year so there were a lot of things for your customers, for your promoters, for your in fact even enterprise is customers are very important. You put it together things that will make them happy and get that advantage in life. Your promoters also almost so you very good things for them this year. And your partners more partnership to say Unity Link, to say Pay Angel, your very good plans or strategies are. And so you say feedback from your clients, your promoters, your partners. Into you said this year, near my idea back when after so events your customers are looking out for us at events so UK, US, even Canada and other places in almost looking out for us now.
Matisa Jamaica, Australia.
Oh, Jamaica, New Zealand, Ghana for baby, auntie, South Africa,
Trinidad and Tobago.
Trinidad and Tobago, into Ghana for baby or mobia, almost Akwantupa Asema, Omoye and Tem Ebe joining your customer base in there spread across the world.
That's great news. That is great news. Inti yebesha enimu se yenya yewo UK this year yebehu baby yebefa bia yebehu Akwantupa ewo ho na bibia achede amwo ma yen no because one of the things we get asked a lot say me your customer na edian na wo ma me you say what share your boy die na bibia aye kama but ene me pese ye and it's a yen share Neoma customers etai bisa And one for more about Akwantupa for the very first time. No matter what I use Akwantupa, and I say more assign up to the policy. Sometimes, crying, I'm sure say they still have questions.
Yes.
And you better go into that. But for the benefits, they be anomeka. We've been having this conversation from last year, but for the benefit of OBR, this is the first time ɔte Akwantupa nka no mepɛ sɛ wobɛma yɛ nkyerɛmu kakra sɛ obi ti sɛ yɛka Akwantupa a yɛbɔ ho dɛ wɔ Rainbow Radio a Akwantupa policy no koraa no ɛyɛ deɛn.
Okay. So Akwantupa yɛ insurance funeral solution enterprise life yɛwɔ Ghana ha. This year yɛnya 100 years. The enterprise brand is 100 years in Ghana this year. Yɛayɛ adwuma check. The products we bring out. Yɛhwehwɛ solutions ɛbɛboa yɛ customer base. Nti Akwantupa no ɛyɛ ade a yɛhwɛ sɛ problem bi wɔ hɔ a ana situation bi wɔ hɔ a yɛnnuanom ɔmo Akwantupa mo face when it comes to nneɛma a yɛyɛ expert in, which is insurance solutions. Nti ɛno na ɛma yɛde Akwantupa to kwan mu na Akwantupa ne hyehyɛ nya ne sɛ woyɛ Ghanani na wote Akwantupa more often than not financial well-being egyina mo so saa na meka no bibia ebesi wɔ Ghana no ebusuanim no yɛbɛfa phone afrɛ mo sɛ
yɛntwa boga
wotwa na so so mo yɛ adeɛ na mo keka nneɛma bom na mo de aba ɛba ne arehosem which is a year so abi of family member bifi ma ɛno nso so yɛde yɛrenya ato mo so in terms of funeral planning and financing no ɛno nso so ɛhɔ no na it's a challenge kakra because enuanom bebree a wote Akwantupa no sɛ ɛba ne saa ebi a wayɛ adwumaden service ke bi na wakɔkɔkuru na ɔde aba na wayɛ. What does it mean? It means that sell sign a jumadin be double up send a bay sign to me I restore funds no. It'll be so ebiana quickly notice ana and there was so pay overtime be here for a period of time. What does it mean? Health situations are can want some and pay. That means that you are putting more stress on yourself, to bring down the money for family members. No waiting the loan. And also, what does it mean? You have to make sure that you're paying it well so that credit system now more in terms of credit score.
Credit score,
and also touch into that also puts a lot of pressure on you. But Akwantupa there is aimed to release the stress. That stress now says na when you na fena high so to raise the funds and bring back home. Send a bear and go emba so and now family so into Akwantupa no one benefit we choose no adenesi no waboy amane within 10 working days near process or benefits no na yama osaka na also wetimi edi ebusua n'echi very well wa represent as a blogger as somebody who lives abroad what me represent well in the family na ebusua ni nyina wetimi akra modofo no kama na mo nyina ma start a healing process no nti Akwantupa ho asem ni nyina no
Yo, busianfo obesia ka kumo hoi ye jene kokwanum na Porsche atuna ni mutuo atwe ye mu na Porsche de se na be ya amanfo ebenya we mi se ye se o sankofa ye nchi sankofa wo hoi ye nchi intimisro for just again for the benefit of metiefo who may be hearing you for the first time a bit of introduction no man who say maybe I said being obi keke na Daniel Datson ne no TFDA so kasa ni pakro na o kasa no ni all can obi be say that is the gospel truth nti pacho introduce ho kakra ma me na TFO hu nipa
Okay, nti me frame Porsche Aminta me yejuma enterprise life me na me manage products na me introduce am on sisi Akwantupa no nti me na me manage our products no na me mpanyimfo mefa me say my justice to that sanka me chiachia all the listeners ne me mpanyimfo ne me boss mu nyina no pay nti mefa sa akwanya so chiachia mo ne promoters and ne clients around the world nya e bechia mo nti me mpanyimfo na etumi abase membejina ahana me audience or listeners in kasa about Akwantupa because you say create awareness. Solution idea be yes, any de buy but you must na abo amount for magic benefits no. Into you do do na te ho asem na omutimi di omo ho be join Akwantupa se na be ya BBC a na yenso yetimi aye de wo say ye. Once insurance company be ni na ye customer base no. Nti so obinya benefits na obeka kyerɛ ni sister obeka kyerɛ ne maame ne papa ne nua bi na damfo bi nti na by that way ne nso yetimi build brand no ekwechi nti enu nti na enne yɛde information we aba adjoin rainbow na yɛde ama your customers ne listeners across the globe.
Okay. Enti mo amuti e radio so mo amhwe your Facebook across multiple platforms mati Porsche Minta na Akwantupa product no oda no ohwe so e enterprise live nti ene asem bia obeka wa afidie so no me pa cho me wi am ni phone number betu dwa o frɛ na obehwe aba bia ekoso kama pa yen komo twetwen sise ya na ye no so wo question bia busa obetimi afrɛ ye wo studio ha emra ye twetwen komo yi ma bia phone line atuma 0208 133 4646 and 0208 133 1134. Portia, so Akwantupa policy no say obi signing up we na say obi any jiho na afei or ni mo kasa na mo signing up we are edi na esi like chemi mu
me da se pa nti say ye ne wakasa wie na wo hu say ade no ehia opa na waye na waye o policy no ya sign up no em say dia obenya ne say obenya o policy document ye be email ya ma automatically issue policy ni wie ya obenya o policy document e wo email mu policy documents no or acceptance be a friend acceptance letter and no na chere say only your contract ye be ma policy terms and conditions na ye no kasa ye be explain ya chere no ye the better paper so near the amount na we hu say asema ye kan ya ye de sign up na eno ana say na contract ne ka na first the amount copy of information now the my ye the policy no ye be ma also copy na we hu say oh bia me papa we na me cover no me mama we age am de ma ye ni na so nya all the relevant information e wo de ma ye the policy no when we say information now the my no ana wo policy ni so a say that we uba na obehwe so a na we no ana ebe wo so nti after you sign up this is what we do now your man we pay your man sign documents we you be pay we so your first payment no no immediately a boy say if we be immediate cover because even though you be to say in fact say you be call February in fact so be to Akwantupa on the 10th of February. Na se otua na sa day na ye man no otua sa day na. In the policy na be issue to start in March on the 1st of March. But otua sa day na ye nka se ye train na March policy na start. Ye be man na start e ho na.
Okay.
Na mo payments na wa ye na so say cover March o. Payments na wa ye nti what you have 10 February. March nyendu ye but ye be start account waiting period no. Say na be am say waiting period dey be 1 day kra na kan
etimi be too
nti na ye ya ne nhihye say wo ye pay na wa your payment immediately say na be ya yen no ye be fa kan no ya amount immediate cover nti utua 10 February na e cover March but ye be ma policy na start 10 February na
we mama kai time na me nantico school afọ kwata okumasi na sister bi a oton we friend auntie Meli auntie Meli mo no oto a ifa de yie pa nti oto a na ebia na osika no so obeto we breba oto obeka wo auntie Meli mami jara so na che se wato so nti sa na tie che se utia February ye mo ye to so that asemi mo de asemi mo de pa
and see that is what happens when you sign up into once why your first payment we now policy no and once I start na just say you can rest until next payment I be notify say are you due to ya na wait ya say that is where you do it monthly so 3 months and 6 months and now 1 year and the time best not say we renew no so time you be notify na wait me your payment.
Okay. Nipa do sense na obet me cover because I say intiase no wo say Akwantupa insurance no for yembusuafo a wo mo wo efie. Ejana sometimes we get asked the question say oh is it for yenya ye wa bruche there be enye for yenya ye wa bruche for abusuafo a wo mo wo fie but the benefit no comes back to us because
exactly.
Bibini na nyame to nsa frɛ wo mo na wo say ye kɔ ye yi a sika no ebe Akwantupa say mu tuama yenya ye top policy no right
very good yes tuama wo a wo top policy
right so nipa do say na ultimate cover on the policy
okay and see obetimi cover a maximum of 4 people nipa 4 na obetimi cover ebi a papa o maame wase mo wo ho obi a wo fabi anase wa bi anase bi a una nakra otimi kaba no because age no we be edunu nti una nakra obetimi akaba no ana unua no nti obi a for foster parents or step parents kra obetimi akaba mo nti family members type of family members obetimi akaba mo mabobon but dodo obetimi akaba ye 4 nti bia na o maame wo ho bia papa ni ho but o wife ne maame wo ho ne papa ni ho ne o de o mutu na to so nti maximum of 4 obetumi akaba 1 2 3 up to 4 family members
right and now okay so betimi do na na to so minim say normally insurance age edimu akotene nti what is the minimum and then what's the maximum age?
Very good. Nti minimum age a wo de beye akaba obi to say o maame o papa wa say o step parents 31 years. 31 years. Minimum age for parents. So obi a say o your papa o maame wa say ninya 31. That is because biologically no science friend say 13 years ni obi a we di 13 ni betimi awo oba. Nti say o maame wo no we di 13 na that's minimum age of 13 na. And you will be 18 now, why are ready to enter into contracts no? Now my made 31.
Okay.
Into minimum age
13 I know issue.
Sometimes it happens
oh yeah, it's
true. And also thankfully, but sometimes no, unfortunately it happens into a banner not just say oh the 18 now why are ready so yes what's a policy holder no minimum age I'll be to me about talk into pan 18 into say oh ban with the 18 and na umami enyi ye kra no onyi ye kra say we 31 minimum and now papa eba no grandmother so I say a double of that into 31 plus 13 which is about 44 so
okay that's the minimum.
Yes, for grandparents. Okay. Because on also say on also mommy 13 years now mommy so be 13 and not just say okay. Into minimum age 13, maximum for policy holder, wow, better policy, maximum is 75 years. 75 years. First, was 60 by your customers be already bros who say was almost decision be say to a community. Send a customers into your arrangements, need me be about up to 75 years for policy holder no. Oh, their own cover, but oh, turn it was say with the 75 maximum. And other parents say, oh, my no papa no nana no person cover mo there up to 100 years. 100 years because be o house so ne mama enyi pa e bia na ye wo no na ne mama emfie kwenim kra de dada nti 100 years and a year for grandparents that's the maximum age so we dribble 100 and I want to mean cover no but or within 31 to 100 for parents in-laws and step parents, aunties and uncles, guardians, within 31 to 100. And a grandmother and a grandfather, they within 44 to 100 years. And I'll be to me a kabom. So those are the minimum and maximum age limits what policies.
That's good. I was for Rainbow Radio 92.4 FM and a pay Akwantupa Wednesday. Minute Porsche, my rap Porsche, I'm in town. I'm in a church como a banner Akwantupa life insurance policy now or no, and a dano or enterprise life. Now, in church more, dear Bray and a payer who here ye pass. So, a question be a bit me afraid and no busa. I was 0208 133 4646 and 0208 133 1134. London has say, oh, share from Ghana to say, yeah, from Facebook near the Abiana. Also, bet me abusa because Abia bet me afre o baby o dofu bi wasi bi or what amanoni say. Mati Akwantupanka nti minim say eye den a obi be say kodwantu be say o Rockefeller kra on chirebo yeah, they are overco inti send a by the time I work on no way SCC no I come no bit me a friend no so at Akwantupa policy EB amount over your WhatsApp line and also bit me do message about what 0777195089 0777195089 or share Facebook so bit me do comments about all right, Portia, Mami Busa, ya can premiums, ya can payment near the share prices no and acquire amanfo betimi afa so ati I mean say that question we mu ta busa pa bro busa say oh okay say me premium no okay ma sign up no ade kwan ben na wose metimi atua meti abrochi ha say but me ya Akwantupa wa Ghana kwan ben na metimi atua for me premiums.
Very good. Me that's the point. To say, yeah, settle up our way of first payments, nina, kosi or subsequent payments, no. Your payment channels, a number of payment channels I'll be used to. Send me can carry your partnership with a company, this is a Pay Angel, which is a remittance company. We know more UK ho, more customer base and also, yeah, sure some customers need to pay to Inti se woyɛ Akwantupa wobɛtumi ayusu Pay Angel a wɔyɛ payment partner de tua. Another partner so a wɔyɛ Unity Link inti ɔmo nso so no wobɛtumi ayusu ɔmo nso Pay Angel ɔmo app no wobɛtumi de tua. Unity Link so ɔmo app anaasɛ ɔmo offices ɛwɔ UK na wobɛtumi a work in wobɛtumi akɔyɛ payment wɔ hɔ. Sɛ customers bi so wɔ Amsterdam sa ebi obi tie wɔ Amsterdam koraa and also Unity Link ɔmo wɔ branch wɔ Amsterdam a wobɛtumi a work in na wayɛ payment no. Nti kwan wei so na this is one of the ways a wobɛtumi ayɛ payment. Another way I want was secured online payment platform a ɔma yɛatɔ license ɛbɛtumi a protect cards ne ade a nkurɔfoɔ bɛuse no nti whether a credit card or debit card or any bank card a wɔ no wobɛtumi de ayɛ payment ɛwɔ online platform no so. That is another payment. Ebi mo so kwa wɔ Akwantupa so mo wɔ active bank account ɛwɔ Ghana. Account a emu use to emu de sika to mo use sika free me ade. Wo obi saa so a Ghana ha no ye products a yɛwɔ ha nyinaa no. Ye ne partnership with banks ni nyinaa your partnerships with them a ɔmo collect your premiums from your customers accounts ma mo nti wo de account details ma ya. You betimi ama bank no higher deductions na bring as and when is needed. And these are the three channels. Which may introduce another online platform very soon. And also customers very to use soon. Into the area and say online with cards near there.
Right. That's great. Obi Busa say, how often do they have to pay the premium? Is a policy no ebia nebo no uchia na yearly and monthly and I say o calculate ebia o cover for 15 years na dia u and dia u is cut say Rockefeller na wetua ni nyina bom. Ho asem te say.
Okay, very good question. Your payment payment frequencies monthly wo ho nti ebusumi bia no obey your payment you choose to eno ye ma wo ye choice no na obe choose obi so wo ha ya ma 3 months quarterly into every 3 months the customers be omo ya on person every month bia na will take action to make the payment obey every 3 months obi so wo ho be person every 6 months into ye no so ho kwan wo ho na every year what mean year past every year but every year bia
every year okay
but
and you need to pay it ahead of time, right?
Very good.
So
very good. It's 2 years ahead of time, cry your mouth discount because of the 2 years ahead, son.
Oh,
your mouth discount you reduce as much as 13% discount for the yearly 13% discount if we you apply to premium no. And now 6 months, so your mouth 6.5% discount. Into monthly na quarterly na options no discount options name but for our person 2 years ahead, son. Yes, premium no cross mouse and you know
when your friend a pex Akwantupa pex.
Yes, that's so true. Pex in terms of the frequency of payments.
That's great to know. Abusiafo me say bi a question so nye nyina na metimi abuse bi o hwa bi na wonim wutrim say wan frame mbusa mi a nya dia me hu but try say questions amount for tai busa ye wo mo to Akwantupa policy na ye di hu enkomo Sam no 0208 133 4646 and 0208 133 1134 say wo Facebook and say any of the platforms are Chagua on Rainbow Radio, so and on my page. So bet me the question about na yajo. So na passion mami mbusao say bano say obi a wakova no efri mu a edien na wose nipa kro ye obi Akwantupa policy holder edien na wose oye.
Okay, me that's say why policy no wire of payments 6 months waiting period ni twa ho nti wa qualify na se BBC e was say notify ubebo ya mane nti all your communication channels are which is email, your WhatsApp business numbers ubetimi na also ebia only promoter bi na a direct say wa ubetimi notify promoter and promoter no be notify ha nti yenya sa notification ne pe ye be send it wo bibi a friend claim form a 2-page form yeah ye fill it to give us a little bit of information about assemblation anti ye be send it normal ye send it pay ye be send the phone call kwedi chi na ye gina your representative of gina company na wama woni we busua yako na wasanya atimu say we send the form we form ye send the email na ye be reminder of documents I will be here to process the claim. Nti ye frɛ so a yama o yakɔ wi a ye no wa commiserate ye wi a na assign a reminder say we na obi ha we na obi here nti da ben na ye hwɛ mu nti wow expectation a obema ye no say be at this date and that date no na ye no wa atwa so na afi ye train say obe gather documents no wa send am ye. Nti that is
but documents no so my because now a question na me booster.
Thank you. Into documents I'll be here for claim na ye bako miensa. Me the claim form ne ka ho na ye full. Claim form ne ye na ye de be ma am wa fele. Into wa fele en we no niema miensa pe na ho. First in our here evidence of death. The chese nipa no a o kaba no we free mo, which is either a death certificate and now say medical certificate of cause of death. Inti enye mienu kra nyina na ehia. Emu baako bia death certificate HRS nipa ne free medical certificate of cause of death and also and usually nipa ne pass away in a hospital after you admitted for more than 24 hours now we free more per doctor for no sad documents na ma medical certificate of cause of death nti eno mu baako na ye behia so o mienu nya na opese de ba ene no so one na opese we to need ba but we need just one of these two nti that's the first thing we need. The second thing we need nipa na we from the ID. Nti say no Ghana ha ye ma me bebre kura say thankfully because of Ghana card name voters and an ye ni ade nti omo wo and now say because omo nyi nti omo type hospital nti national health insurance scheme card omo will be nti any one of these things and now say bia now all parents no ye adwuma in the formal sector into otuatua and SNIT contributions and now informal kwa no otuatua they say SNIT ma obi a biometric ID for that into na eno so how obetimi dia aba ha na say nipa no passport driver's license any of these IDs o de beka ho ba ko bia won o de beka ho na afi once kasa o ye claim no policy holder no de o start policy na beje ID ba o claim ya obe hia ebu be hia so obe sign de one kasa ID so account into sa nyema miensa we proof of death, which is either the death certificate or the medical certificate of cause of death. Deceased ID, nipa na we free no ID, and a one kasa ID. Sa nyema miensa we. O fele your claim form na the account. Now we submit my. Once we get this, we initiate and process the claim. So we have now mortuary receipts near the account. Obi mutimi the account. Supporting document. And then the main thing here. The only time I be out there with me there no about is where ebi amunya death certificate, munya medical certificate of course of death. Maya munya inti yes so ye pese etua claim inti. Wo de no ba ye wo niema yes ye we twa ye de etimi verify death no. Because mortuary receipts in the yana ehun ye den in confirming the death no is not that easy. A mark process ni ikra long. Into you prefer death certificate or medical certificate of course of death. But say say be a wunya crowd the mortuary documents in my ye the and also be process. Just the non bema it be abroad 10 working days next. But yes, in terms of paying the claim. See we here when you are filing your claim request.
About insurance, I think one of the myth and misconception a war any say, oh, insurance for the sikana de ombejine quick. Na ebano ni tiadia na akoye bibia ho question ba kwa minim saman for say busani says Akwantupa for say bibi ni na ya wo betua. How long does it take to pay out a claim?
Okay. Okay, may you we have opportunity to cry I clarify some of the myths about this very thing. But we important we are the anywhere we are for a purpose. That is where you need the money the most to do the thing. Okay, I can't speak for other insurance companies, but I think that other insurance companies will not want to do that. We shut down say you delay process no. Ebi wɔ ha documents no ɔde aba no koraa ebi a death certificate o bi wɔ ha name a ɔmo owu ofiri mu na ɔmo de kɔɔyɛ no ɛnyɛ saa name no na ɛwɔ yɛ ha nti ɔde aba no yɛ kɔfrɛ mortuary hɔ anaasɛ hospital hɔ mbɛka sɛ obiara saa nda hɔ then nti there are a lot of things that go into say ebi a claim open ne saa delay a nti na yɛn enterprise yɛ ama 10 working days no. That's a full 2 weeks to be able to do all this. Within that period, within 10 working days. And actually, within that, by 10 working days, because there are a lot of things that claims departments encounter, challenges that they encounter in verifying the death and all that. And yes, a company because insurance company now capacity need to pay there because claims no and the nipa now recommend other people amount to build up your customer base and all that into that is say be na nyema eko we chi no be na no na amanfo bebenye privy to but say yen enterprise with Akwantupa near claim turnaround time near 10 working days. Within 10 working days, no, I was say a process now on second benefit. Say, ebia, ya ko confirming na say yes, yentimi confirmation, no, ebia, yes, ya ko ya almost say body be any hosa. Ya beba, my customer name. But I say sometimes our customers no explain or catch you beyond explaining to that level. Ya beba feedback say ebia, say ni sintina. We couldn't confirm. Now, you have bisa for other information that you can even give us that will help. Some do now be corona. I really say oh, the year no. Or hospital nipa or then require one funny dia one ID so and be na yetimi clarify side na yetimi to ya customer and benefit amount. Inti for Akwantupa there within 10 working days no na your process of benefits payments into any accounts are over designate to say into it.
10 working days. We have Portia, I'm running to me. Well, just two quick questions. Meaning, say, by the time I am here, you're saying a share bium, and you're walking on your but two quick questions. If you can actually do, buy the policy for up to 4 people, basically up to nipa 4 and out to policy, so. Now, one, and not sure say you pay differently for each of them, right?
Very good.
Okay,
yes.
so and also say say nipa na wire policy na ma no abre bi free mono, so the claim pays out and also sanity na.
The patch wine say once I would here for each individual, and it's a benefit and so obia dear and to 70,000 for this, be 40,000 for that, 30,000 for that, based on a benefit I'll be choosing for each individual and a bit determined premium now with you. Into benefit and so be a dear. Yeah, we pay out every time somebody passes away.
Okay. One question I hear closely related to that is the opposite of it to say, enum 5 siblings. And yati Akwantupa policy. One, are we all allowed to say nipa ba kono ye better policy namano? Na say nipa krono free moon swa no so are we going to get that benefit for the same person? I want them to say.
Okay, that's a very interesting question. Once insurance and Kasano, it doesn't seek to overpay you, overcompensate you. That's the principle of insurance.
Okay.
Now we are life insurance and now we are car insurance. To me, two different companies. Na car okay. But with life insurance, some of the products are slightly different because of the concept. Once we funeral insurance. Culture wa ha no se BBC a e wo se o yo e bia ye ma me bia na ye papa bi na efiri na ye mba 5 a e wo so bia de ne contribution ba na ye de aye no enye nipa ba konkwan ne begina ne so based on this principle na say na ye culture ne tie wo Ghana ha nti ye ma kwan ma siblings cover the same parents Inti say bi obi nuanom be 5 ho no person cover bi o maame a omo nyina betimi aka bom se BBC a ye obia otua ne premium na wato policy no ono so benya ne benefit in full ye nka so ye tua onua nti wo de wetua premium but ye ntimi ntua because concept of policy no ne say BBC na obi enya contribution sika eka ebebo no obia de ne diaba nti based on that no 5 siblings in this example that you gave can cover the same parents and times also make claiming obia betimi claiming the benefits on their various policies.
Abusafo me babe me babe crap portion na wakona ne we chire quickly ne yedi atudwa ansa na ye free show no so ena no pay na quick one yana manfo so ta busa say bia na okay policy ma ye but me pese me twam no can I do that at any time? Can I do that at any time? And closely to Debbie, before so answer that, and so me the way I trust mami. Yana manfo bi ho busa say fine. Maybe I may top policy no me to say me who nipa free mu me pay 10,000 Ghana cedis. But say maybe I may share me monthly expenditure me pese me tum send be ya me tua more premium and no akonya wo ho say metimi ayesa and then if I want to cancel as well can I do that?
Okay, very good. Thank you. So yes, increase the benefits na obi wo ha or in fact me customers be a me introduce you on to Akwantupa omo to no na omo ye be skeptical so on these issues that we always speak about nti one tonic kese but ne papa free ma ohun say saka no and obi increase ne ma me dia ha nti yes we allow for you to increase the benefits at any time you want. And once when my request, send you email, so we increase it from this to that. Yeah, bema premium I'll be to have with the increased value. Na amendo policy na ma increased benefits number so. Inti the only thing is say the cost we apply a 6 months waiting period on the increased benefits.
Okay.
Inti yefan say my 20,000. Na fe me hu se o me pese me de ko 50,000 metimi abesesa ko 50,000 me sesa e da me sesa me ye 50,000 the payment no 6 months waiting period will start for the 50,000 until within 6 months say BBC na nipa na me cover no free ma 20,000 na me nsa beka but me pass 6 months waiting period no ho 50,000 no na me nsa beka. I hope some church are saying
it's very, very clear. It's very clear.
That's it. And for cancellation, no, and no, dear, me answer cry na my sad. Insurance policy be say, yeah, nipa ne da so te ase ne dear. There shouldn't be any reason. In fact, financial difficulties should encourage you to have the policy in place. Because na BBC imagine how difficult it would be. Into a financial difficulties, okay, no one is making sure say policy in the home. Into your own share for ma go through financial difficulties e be an into offer so into your premium every month. No, your own share for into BBC see my yente. But person cancel their quite or contract anytime they are person cancel. Oh, cancel. Just that cancel ube on sabeka surrender value. That is 10% of our contributions now. Why at the time I'll cancel no.
Okay.
And then you bet you amount back as surrender value. 10%
surrender just mama means so.
But no dear, may so be crying so your police I say
me ma on saso.
Obibi any ama yenhu na ye no enhihye na yenhu how I be no. But
that's what Akwantupa does is the human face to the policy and yes a policy a person man for talk kenti more hyehyɛ ɛna mu pia munto but nneɛma a wo ka te sɛ ebi a ho kyerɛ wo mu ama ya sonte waiting period nneɛma bi te sɛ ebi a wotɔ there is extra days you can have before the policy start but you still be saa nneɛma wo nyinaa no ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ nipa modwene ɛyɛ customers no ho ɛno nti na mode policy na bɛdwa nti yɛpɛ sɛ me ankasa me pese me show nkran so utie me na no pay Rainbow Radio 92.4 FM show me on Facebook live and on all the platforms abomodin say oni Akwantupa ebidin so Portia fa numbers no etudwa obi pese oni within so ana say or pese or top policy or nyankyeremu mo a kwan be no be fa so enya numbers be no on frɛ
Okay, Akwantupa available on WhatsApp for business +233 27 027 1111 +233 27 027 That is the number. Ofra more often than not, ubenya me say me kwa menya available. Me able colleague a friend Elizabeth Afobe answer. Nti yemienu ofra sa number no so ubenya yen. Any question now when you can be some pacho friend na ye no ending kitan so or number so na yetinya ama all the information now here would be informed decision because a many kwa na every year bia ni mo nsem ye bomb price nyankopon be shrine with long life ni ebusuafo nyina in good health. But at the same time, no, I say realistic and know that these are things that can happen at any time. And ending na BB insurance or yeah, a boy ma yetimi mitigate the consequences of some of these things kakra no. Inti yebe share on cry say just call us, get the information, then make your decision, and then we can take it from there. Thank you.
We can take it from the Porsche and pay Medawase, Sayo Jim Ray, and Metrin Como right here on Rainbow Radio 92.4 FM. At your phone to Dawase, Sayo Jim Ray. You know, my fortnight from today, your best saying Asia.
Yes, thank you.
You will be an so ye de abre among for.
Okay, yeah, that's
Okay.
Thank
Right,
you.
means so made that say.
Radio.